welcome back to my channel, guys. What's up, what's up, guys? Today I'm making some blueberry loaf today, guys. Really simple stuff I'm doing today, guys. Something easy, and I want you guys to tune in with me and make some blueberry loaf. All right, guys, I got some fresh blueberries, not frozen. You can use frozen blueberries as well, but I'm using fresh today. All right, guys, so I'm just sieving some flour right here. 2 cups of flour, getting it right in the bowl here. Hope you guys are staying safe, you guys are staying blessed. Really simple, guys. So you guys can use, if you don't have blueberries, you have peach at home, you can dice up some peach and throw it inside using the same batter. All right, so guys, I just set the flour right here. I'm gonna put this bowl aside here, and I'm gonna get some of the wet ingredient right in this bowl right here. So guys, I got 2 eggs right here. All right, and I got oil. Everything going right in that bowl, guys. Got a teaspoon of vanilla right here. And guys, my oil is only 1/4 of a cup I use. I mean, some of you guys may want to add more oil to it, but I think 1/4 of a cup will work. All right, and you don't need to use butter or anything like that. And that's 1 cup of milk, guys. You can use cream, yogurt work as well. So we're just gonna mix this together. Guys, your blueberry muffins in the morning with some coffee or tea, it's great. On the go. Just gonna throw this 2 teaspoons of baking powder going inside, and 1/4 of a teaspoon salt, guys. That's how simple it is. You know what we should do, guys? Put the sugar right inside here, and this is only 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm gonna mix it right in with the wet one, guys. Look how simple your blueberry muffin is. All right, this is going right inside the flour now, guys. Just pour everything right in. Really simple. I'm sure you guys gonna try it and let me know. Just fold it right in with your spatula. You don't need a mixer for this, guys. My oven is hot right now and ready for it. And guys, you sieve the flour and it's so easier to mix out, not much lumps and all that. All right. That should be good. And we're gonna add the blueberries right inside here. Just get my pan right over here. Okay, so let's get the blueberries inside, guys. This is how simple this recipe is, guys. Take a look at that. You just fold it right inside. And it's ready, guys. Ready to go in the oven. All right. Get it right in my bowl here. Hold it so you guys can see. So I put some paper in here, guys, some parchment paper. Less cleaning to do. All right. Here we go, and we're gonna get it inside the oven, all right? And I'll show you guys this finished product as soon as it comes out, all right? Okay guys, so let's get it in the oven here. The oven is hot, preheated, guys. It's at 400 right now. And I'm gonna get this in for 25 minutes inside there. So I'll just set the timer on here, guys. As I said, it's a quick one, guys. So I start out with 20 minutes and it start. And guys, you guys can use the same batter to make your muffins. So you can get your muffin pans and drop it in there. It should take about half a cup each. Should be good. If you want big ones, you can double it. Okay guys, the loaf is done. That's what it looks like. Looking beautiful. I'm just gonna let it cool down, guys, and we're gonna cut it and we're gonna try it. All right. Okay guys, it's done. It's cooled down a bit here. Wow, it looks so good inside. I'm just move my hands. You guys see how beautiful it looks. It smells so good. Guys, look at that. Beautiful. The blueberries, they're popping inside. Wow. That's what I'm talking about there, guys. I'm gonna try a piece right now. I'll take the end of it, guys. Wow, it's nice and moist, guys. Look at that. Guys, this is good. Wow, you guys gotta try this out at home. I'm having a cup of tea actually with this. All right, so you guys try it at home. Let me know how you guys like it. Thanks for watching again, guys. Share, like, subscribe, guys. Love you guys. Love the love you guys showing. See you in the next video.